Next activity is the single leg abdominal press. The single leg abdominal press is another popular core strength exercise. To execute, lie on your back with your knees. Keep your back in neutral position. Place your right leg off the floor so that your knee and hip are bent at 90-degree angles. Rest your right hand on top of your left knee. Put your hands against your knee while using your abdominal muscle to pull your knees toward your hand. Begin single leg abdominal press. Abdominal press count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Relax